Hi guys, so we're going to quickly look at this question. Now, when you have a problem like this, all you just simply need to do is to try to put together every single thing you've learned about the laws of indices. So this is like the application. So this is 64 r raised to power minus 6, all brackets raised to power half. So I'm going to try to simplify this one by one. So I'm going to write 64 r raised to power minus 6 raised to power 1 over 2. And then I'm going to put everything all raised to power 1 over 3. If you remember one of the laws we talked about in the previous videos, that when we have fractional powers, the denominator is usually used as a root. So I'm going to try to reduce 64 or represent 64 to have a base of 2. 64 is the same thing as 2 raised to the power of 6. Then I have r raised to power minus 6. And then I have my 1 over 2. And finally, I have my 1 over 3. So you see, the question is gradually breaking down or reducing. Now, one of the laws says that when we have double powers, we simply multiply them. So I'm going to apply that law. So I have 2 raised to power 6, r raised to power minus 6, all in a bracket. So 1 times 1 is 1, 2 times 3 is 6. Then, whenever you have a problem like this also, this is a bracket. The power outside simply is affecting everything inside the bracket. So not just one of the terms, but the two of them. So I'm going to use this to multiply the two. So this simply means 2 raised to power 6 multiply 2 raised to power 6. The power 6, sorry, is going to multiply 1 over 6, and that's going to give me 2 raised to power 6 over 6. R raised to power minus 6 is going to multiply these two, and that's going to give me r raised to power minus 6 over 6. Yeah. So right now we have similar numbers, so we can cancel out. This here 1 1, this here also 1 1. So at the end of the day, what we have is 2 raised to power 1 times r raised to power minus 1. Remember one of the laws where we talked about negative powers? We said that we can simply take off the negative sign and it becomes a reciprocal of that number. So this is what we have. So our final answer is simply 2 over r. Sorry, let me strike this off here. 2 over r is our final answer. Thank you.